If you're getting Microsoft Office, Word, or Excel error code 0x0, an unknown error has occurred on your Mac, here's a quick fix. First, save all your work and close every Office app. Now, uninstall the Office app that's causing the problem. Open Applications, right-click Microsoft Word, Excel, or the affected app, and select Move to Bin. After removing all Office apps, empty the bin and restart your Mac. Before reinstalling Office, make sure you know the Microsoft account email and password that was used to activate your Office license. Next, go to https://account.microsoft.com, sign in with your Microsoft account, open subscriptions, and click Install Office. Download the installer, install Office again, and sign in with the same Microsoft account to activate it. If the error still appears, search Google for Microsoft Remove Office License Files on Mac and open the official Microsoft support page. Download and run the Office License Removal tool. Read the instructions carefully because this process removes your Office license from the Mac. Once the tool finishes, open Word or Excel again, sign in with your Microsoft account, and reactivate Office. In most cases, this completely fixes error code 0x0 on Mac. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on.